Hey, my name is Stormpath, and I'm the CTO of Arcade.dev. Today I'm going to show you the chat.arcade.dev application, which showcases some of the unique features of Arcade. Specifically, here I'll be showing off its ability to authenticate agent actions on behalf of the end user of the agent. What this means that you could do as an agent developer is equip your agent essentially with these tools, these capabilities to go out and reach out to services external to your application. So that's GitHub, Slack, email, LinkedIn, Salesforce, you name it. Arcade can equip your agent with the action and capability to be able to do it. And not only do it, but do it with the right permissions at the right time in the right place. I'll showcase all of that by demonstrating this in the chat.arcade.dev application. So first, let's do a typical one. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my Google tools are selected here. And I'll say, read my last 10 emails. Now, notably, I've already logged into Google because I used SSO to log into this platform. I've also already logged into Google through this application before, so Arcade will not require me to re-log in. It will not require the OAuth flow again. It will simply go and immediately use the correct user token based on the username sam@arcade.dev. Now, let's show an example of something like, let's make sure Reddit is equipped. Yeah. So let's say search for threads on Reddit that are about LangChain. Sure. Now, you might say, can't you just use the internet for this? Well, since Reddit has closed off their API, they disallow scraping. What they'd rather you do is make an OAuth application and use their API correctly, as most DevSec teams in the world would want you to do. And so this every enterprise would expect of your application, and now it is capable to do in the realm of building agents. And that has never been possible before without Arcade. So you'll see that the agent is able to call this tool, give posts in subreddit. It chooses to pick hot listing of the LangChain subreddit, and then lists out some various pieces. Now, so far this has been getting context, but the real power of being able to do auth is being able to perform actions on behalf of the end user. Obtaining context is one thing, but being able to actually do something, work on behalf of a user, is an extremely unique and exciting part of what Arcade brings to agent development. So if I say, draft up this information from Reddit in an email to alex@arcade.dev, it will go and actually draft up that email. There you go. Nice. Get me a link. You could also just click the drop down, but I just want to show that you can do this. Open draft email, and boom, shakalaka. Here you go. Nice. Pretty cool. So it even does the formatting for you, which is super nice. So that gives you an example of all of the different types of activities you can do across Notion and OAuth 365 and HubSpot, Google, GitHub, LinkedIn, all available now to agent developers through Arcade and the authentication authorization supplied by Arcade. This obviously works with LangChain, LangGraph, and many other agent systems and frameworks that we've been working with. I want to quickly point out, though, that Arcade provides this as a developer platform. So you'll see here, I logged into Reddit just now, and you can see that this username for this application has used this provider, and they have these particular scopes. These are now active. I can choose to revoke this user, me in this case, such that I no longer have this capability. Arcade gives you a full dashboard, one view of all of the different things that your agent can do, is capable of, and all of the secrets, authentication, tokens, security that you need to provide your agents with world-class capability. Lastly, I'll mention that we have also added MCP support in that you can use Arcade as an MCP server, and you can also connect MCP servers, as you can see here, to Arcade. This enables anybody in an MCP ecosystem to readily adopt any of the capabilities of Arcade without changing very much at all. Thank you so much for watching.